Hello everyone, Sanbonani, Dumelang, Absheni, Molweni, Tobe. Lalela, sparkling, stunning, and couture are words we can use to sum up the fashion at the DSTVMVCA Viewers' Choice Awards. Things are slowly getting back to normal in showbiz, and on Saturday night, Mzansi celebs graced the Sun Arena in Pretoria. There was a buzz as South Africa's personalities across different platforms gathered to celebrate each other. Celebrities really looked amazing. Others didn't really do it for me, shame, in terms of fashion style. Firstly, we will look at Ntando Duma. The presenter and actress looked stunning. She was giving me the Megan Stallion type of situation and Riri's look. She was amazing. The girl is pretty and has amazing body. She's glowing. She turned up the heat at the DSTVMVCA Viewers' Choice Awards when she wore a nude dress which left little to the imagination. The actress topped the trend list when she wore this stunning dress. Trips were divided. Others really gave her a thumbs up. Others didn't like the dress at all, and they have voiced out their opinions, how they feel about Ntando's dress. Someone wrote, Ntando Duma is the girl she thinks she is. #DSTVMVCA. One also said, that's how it's done, gorgeous. Others were not really liking her dress, hey? Someone wrote, Ntando Duma is Zodwa wabantu that went to private school. #DSTVMVCA. One defended her and said, I'm so confused. What's wrong with at Ntando Duma dress? Like, heck understand. I feel that the dress is pure fire and super sexy. Animani yo niyathanda ukukhuluma nina. What do you think about her dress? Did you love it or did you hate it? Our next celebrity is Connie Ferguson. Connie also got an award for favorite personality, and wow, she looked so pretty, hey? Fans were in awe when she mentioned her late husband and thanked him for making him to believe in herself, and she showed some love to him when she accepted her award. Someone wrote, Mr. Shaw is definitely proud of her. May God continue being your light and salvation. Connie Ferguson. One also said, #DSTVMVCA, Connie Ferguson keeps on aging backwards. Someone also said, not me being close to tears during Connie Ferguson's acceptance speech. She's amazing. Our next celebrity we'll be talking about is Ntando from Gomorrah, who plays the character of Zodwa. She's doing the wonders on Gomorrah. People are always praising her for always killing her role. Mogel went home with an award for favorite actress. Her fans were over the moon after she received her award. One tweet said, the industry is finally giving Ntando her flowers. Love to see it. She has been carrying Gomorrah on her shoulder. Well deserved. One also wrote, #DSTVMVCA. On behalf of myself, me and I, my first congratulations goes to Dimamzo Sanamkun. While congratulations are in order to Mamzo, she was looking very pretty with her #1 red dress. Our next celebrity we'll be talking about is Thabethevs, the TV and radio personality and businesswoman. Mogel understood the assignment. She looked stunning in her dress. Her body. The color of her dress. She looked so yummy. Even people couldn't agree on social media that Mogel was on point. Someone wrote, you look sensational at Thabethevs. One also said, you ate and left. No crumbs. Definitely understood the assignment. Thabethevs is beautiful, guys. Our next celebrity we'll be talking about is Zodwa. Zozi is very beautiful, but her dress didn't really do it for me. It didn't land. It was giving Doja Cat's vibe, but it wasn't good. Our Miss Universe is very pretty and has a beautiful body. I feel like her stylist didn't do justice on this one though. People didn't even like it. Someone reacted to her dress and wrote, I think Zozi doesn't even know how to say no to her stylist. She looks like those people who are nice to a fault. Even her smile looks forced. Come on, what is this? #Zozi. Someone also said she's beautiful, but the person who designed the outfit won't see the heaven. We love Zozi, but ain't gonna lie, the outfit is nah. Even Doja looked pretty on her dress. Hey, Susie is beautiful. They should do better next time. Whoever is hairstylist. We love Susie. Our next celebrity is Blue Bombo. Blue Bombo looked so pretty and yummy. This one is a stunner. Her dress is beautiful and her stylist understood the assignment. I love everything about it. The girl just had a baby but already she has a glass hour figure. Even people loved her dress. Someone said she never misses you, gorgeous. One also said stunning. Lalela babe, you are so yummy and sexy. I really loved her yellow dress. Our next celebrities we'll be talking about are Andile and his wife Tamia Mpisane. The couple looked gorgeous. Tamia really understood the assignment. I totally love her dress. Even her husband, he was looking good. Mogel just had a beautiful baby girl. Someone commented on her dress and said, she screams rich wife. Yo, money looks good on her. Someone also commented and said, best dressed for me. She's so beautiful. She is indeed beautiful. Share your views on this event and leave a comment down below. Please subscribe for more news.